my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, a slight twist on your traditional mini egg nails. I mean, who doesn't love a good mini egg? So I figured what's better than just painting one nail and making it look like a mini egg than mashing all the colours together. So I've got a selection of mini egg inspired colours. So I'm using Foxglove from the Fairy Garden collection, Hibiscus, I ain't got a clue what collection that one's from, Mellow from, I think that's the Flower Power collection, and Cocoa, again I ain't got a clue what collection that one's from. But first one I'm coming in with, I've put far too much on my brush, look at that, I made a right mess. I'm coming in with Foxglove. So I'm just working on a tip today. I've got no model. I'm using my 10mm liner. My 10mm liner may look a little bit thinner than yours because I dropped it a couple of days ago. And I split the bristles and I ruined it, so I had to give it a bit of a haircut. Not to worry. And we're just going to work in stripes. So your 10mm liner is perfect for this. Perfect. Right, so that was Foxglove. And I'm going to come in and use some Mellow now from the Flower Power collection. You need to make sure that your stripes are all different thicknesses as well. So do some thin, some thick, not massively thick. I'm going to do this one a little bit thicker. I really want some mini eggs now. Any excuse for chocolate. Any excuse. Right, I'm going to pop those in for a flash cure. Okay, coming in with Hibiscus now. This is so pretty. This colour, look at this. How nice is that? So I'm going to fill this gap here. Try and get your lines as straight as you can and make sure you fill any voids as well. Let's get, oh, I really like that. I like that a lot. Let's get a bit more. Let's go over here. Let's get this edge here. Wipe your brush off. And then Cocoa. So this is a nice dark brown. Proper chocolate colour. Hence the name Cocoa. It's a chocolate brown. Let's come down here. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Right, let's give that a flash cure. Just going to come in and add a little bit more to this yellow, really make it pop. Should put my glasses on, really. Glasses are a wonderful thing. They help me see what I'm doing. Okay, let's get some more yellow on here, I think. Let's do, should we do all of this yellow? Yeah, let's do all of this yellow. I think the yellow mini eggs are the best, aren't they? They don't have different flavours, do they? What is it? Is it M&Ms that apparently have different flavours? The colours taste differently. I was watching this video of this woman and she's colourblind. And she could differentiate between all the different M&Ms because of the taste. She could taste the colours. How weird is that? It's quite cool though. we just fluffed that bit up. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, this is looking a bit like one of those, is it rhubarb sweets? I think they're called rhubarb sweets. Rhubarb and custard. That's the one. Right, I want a little bit more of that cocoa in there. So I'm going to cure that. And then we'll get a nice thin stripe of cocoa. And then we'll see how this looks. I'm so excited to use Wicked. So excited. So if I was doing these on a full set of nails, I'd do one nail maybe in each colour and then just have this single nail as a stripy nail, like an accent nail. Right. What do we think? A little bit of cocoa. A little bit of cocoa down the side, I reckon. Just a nice thin line. What do we think? Here, here, here. Let's go next to the... Should we go next to the pink? Too indecisive with stuff like this. Let's go next to the pink. I really should put my glasses on. Okay, yeah, I like that. Right, let's pop that in for a full cure. This nail's making me hungry, man. I want to eat stuff. I want to eat sweets and cake and mini eggs. Must behave, must behave, must behave. Okay, we're at the lamp. Right, this is... Where's it gone? Oh, it's bloody hell right in front of me. So this is the first time I get to use Wicked. So excited about this. Let's see how it goes. Oh wow. Oh my god. Look at this. Yes, 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 yes. I'm all for this. I love that. I love everything. Right, so this is a matte top coat, so make sure you get full coverage on this, otherwise you'll end up with some shiny bits. Look at that! Oh, I can't wait to see this cured. Okay, so we've just come out the lamp. I've got my Kiwi cleanser. Love this stuff. So you can see it's still got a little bit of a shine to it. Not for much longer. Just wipe over. There we go, look at that. So these are all your mini egg colours mashed into one. I really like this. What do you think? So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.